today we are in Legian.
So yes, we are in Legian nowadays, and then before like we were just wandering around, and then we will have a dinner in Legian because we see that some restaurants are already open.
So restaurant and bars.
Yes.
So we plan to go to the some bar.
Yeah, we plan to go to the one restaurant that is a very famous in Legian and always full. And
let's see how it is there.
yeah, normally that it will be, you know, in waiting list, but let's see how it is the situation in Legian.
Yep.
Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so normally in July, August, Legian Street is traffic everywhere. Wherever you go, always traffic. So many people coming, just wanna have a drink or just going to the restaurant or going to party. And as you know that Legian Street is famous for the party island. I can say party place, party spots in Kuta.
this one I have to try one day. Not today, but one day I have to try.
Yes,
You wanna
and-
try with me?
Oh my god, I don't want. So normally
Okay.
this place also, whenever you wanna
people.
try, full of peoples, and people will be in a waiting list, wanna try the adrenaline by sitting there and then sling up. Alright, so once I watch from the street and I feel like, oh my god, even when I was watching, I feel my adrenaline already jump out. For
Once,
me, I don't wanna try.
once I did this with my brother Sebastian in Ireland. I don't remember where. I think that was somewhere close to Dublin. I made this. It's super cool. I have to try in Bali one day.
Right, so this is the famous Poppy's Lane
Poppy's Lane.
in Legian. So I remember that whenever I walk here, people always trying to sell me mushroom, mushroom.
Okay, but
Or
don't
also-
explain what is mushroom for people
Yeah.
who was in Bali. You know, guys, what is it. But for rest, just
Yeah.
think, yeah.
Yeah, and also that if you know that I remember that when I walk with my friend, they also trying to offer you girls if you wanna hang out with the girls.
No
also.
girls now.
But nowadays,
No
nobody.
girls.
As you see,
I'm not
So
sad.
quiet.
Winnie,
Yeah.
but it's no girls.
Yeah.
Anyway.
so this is how it is Legian at night. right
Legian
now.
is over there. Where is the light? So we are driving Poppy's Line 2. I think this is Poppy's Line 2 or 1.
Yeah, this is Poppy's Line 2 normally. So many people walking on the street.
And everything is open and will be, hustle and bustle, But
Yeah,
now you
but
can
now-
stop on the middle of the street and record yourself, and nobody's here,
Yeah, and then so quiet.
Super quiet. Okay.
For the record. For the record.
Guys, so I think that will be enough for today's vlog. We showed you how it looks in Legian by night.
Yeah, so we already had dinner in one of the famous restaurant and bar in center of Legian. And as you see, some of the restaurants are open and some of the hotels also open. So
yeah, but however, if they are even open, like you saw, it's kinda quiet. So yeah, we just show you how it looks at Legian at night. And like always, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you like it. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
And see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye,
Bye guys.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land. Thought that I was caught in a one-man band, but playing all those sad and lonely songs. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet, and then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire. Out of the cold into the fire. This is too good for a man like me. Be treated by someone so tender.